Hey, how's it going, guys? For today's property tour, we are in the community of Parkside by Lennar Homes. Right behind me, we have floor plan Jan that features 4 bedrooms. So if you're looking for a community that is close to Summerlin, definitely recommend watching this tour. Let's get started.
Sunshine, I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, I'll be your love.
Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Ramiro Fregoso. I'm a licensed realtor here in the area of Las Vegas. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. What I do my channel is I tour all the newest communities to show you what builders are offering. So at the end of the day, guys, you can make a decision if the home and community is a right fit for you. If this is something of interest, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications, that way you don't miss any upcoming tours. For today's property tour, we are in the community of Parkside by Lennar Homes. And just to give you a concept of where this community is located, it is on the northwest end of Las Vegas, so you're right off the 215 and Cheyenne. You're gonna be only 10 minutes from downtown Las Vegas. You're gonna be about 23 to 25 minutes to the Las Vegas Strip and the airport. So in this community, guys, they're going to be only building single family residential home, all 2-story home. HOA here is going to be $110 monthly. So as I go over the community criteria, I'm going to have all the floor plans available on your screen so you can follow along. So there's a total of 3 different floor plans here. They're going to be starting at $573,990 base price. They're all 3 plans are going to be 4-bedroom homes, and they're going to be between 2,255 square feet to up to 2,590 square feet base price. So Lennar Homes is what we call a spec builder, guys. And what is a spec build? A spec home is a brand new home. The builder starts before anyone buys it. They've already picked out the floor plan and the finishes, so it's usually move-in ready or at least close to it. It's a great option if you don't want to wait months to build. And a lot of times builders offer strong incentives on spec homes just to sell them faster. And honestly, guys, if you do buy a spec home, that's where you're gonna get the best deal. Now, guys, let's go get started with this home tour to see if it's a right fit for you. All right, guys, so welcome to floor plan Jan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It is 2,255 square feet, 2-car garage. And base price for this one is $573,990. Guys, that is just the base price. That does not include any lot premiums or any upgrades. There is a quick move-in ready as of making this video, guys, just to give you an idea of out the door price. It's priced at $598,896. All right, let's get started with this tour. I do love the stones here on the side of the garage. This does have a side entrance. Out of the 3 floor plans that are available, guys, this is gonna be the smallest floor plan, but it's still not a small home. I mean, 2,200 square feet home, it's definitely not small, at least for me, guys. Has a side entrance. Ooh, it is hot, toasty today. Not even summer yet. It has to be at least 80 today. It's a little teasing me for what's to come, guys. On the left side, living room. Off to the right is to go to the 2nd floor. And does this have a, yes, you do have a bedroom downstairs. We'll see that in just a second. So all of them have a bedroom downstairs except Mike, that has a den. Look at this, guys. Really nice. Nice spacious living room. Look at this. Before I forget, because I did point the camera over here, you're gonna have a coat closet. And here's your living room. Your kitchen, quartz countertop. This has the really light gray cabinets. Got the gas stove, your microwave, refrigerator, that's all included, guys. So pretty much everything you guys see, guys, is gonna come included with your home purchase. Keep in mind though, the finishes will be different. For example, you will get like the upgraded flooring, just different color or maybe tile. This is the LVP. You'll get the quartz. Sometimes the backsplash, but that I typically don't see them specking out with the backsplash. And typically the carpets typically in the bedrooms, I'm seeing carpet. Let me show you this right here. Pantry. Gas stove. Microwave, refrigerator. Here on this side, dishwasher. Undermount stainless steel sink. You do get in osmosis. They'll give you a complimentary filter, and they'll want you to upgrade. So just a heads up, at least that third-party company. But here's this view, guys. Then here off to the right, we have your dining area. And then let me show you your backyard. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot go back there, but I'll show you from here. Beautiful day. Look at that sky. You do got that retainer wall for this side of the houses, guys, because this row over here is sitting at a lower elevation than what's behind. But if you're in the interior of the community, you don't have to worry about this retainer wall, so don't freak out. And I know I always say, guys, your backyard landscaping does not come included. It's just gonna be a clean slate, just dirt, guys. Typically you have up to 12 months. So let's go over here now to this side. That's the front door we just came through right here. To go to the second floor, here's your two-car garage. It's locked, can't see it. Here off to the left is full bath, single vanity. So this has also the LVP flooring. And then this bedroom that you have downstairs. Look at this. Typically, guys, I'd see them in the bedrooms put carpet. Got 2 windows. But if there's a home that is available, like these quick move-in, and you want to see what's all included, reach out to me, guys. Call and text me and I'll send you that information. Also, as we head upstairs, guys, if you guys are planning to check out new construction homes, make sure you guys don't walk in alone, guys. Bring me, or if you're already working with a realtor, guys, take your realtor on the first visit. Builders will often consider you unrepresented if you do go by yourself, and you may not be able to add the agent later. The big reason it matters, guys, is having someone help you negotiate the price, the incentives, and the upgrades, just to name a few, guys. So if you have any questions or want me to go with you, I will have my contact info below, guys. Call or text me. I'm here to help. So, unfortunately, upstairs, it's not furnished. So we are gonna have to use your imagination. But honestly, guys, this is a very nice size loft. I wouldn't say humongous, but it's still a good size. You got some more space like right here. You could put something right there. I do love that window right there coming upstairs and going downstairs. 9-foot ceilings. Also carpet all throughout the second floor except your wet areas, guys, like the bathrooms and your laundry rooms. And I'll show you right now. The bathroom, tile. Got the combo stand-up and bath. Single vanity, that's just me. And right across the way, another bedroom. But come over here. Linen closet. At least I can see the primary is furnished, that's probably more important to you than these bedrooms. Here's another bedroom, and your closet. Still decent sized bedrooms, guys. I mean, this house is not small. It's still over 2,200 square feet. Your laundry room, washer and dryer is not included, guys. If you have an awesome agent like myself, I'm always gonna do my best to negotiate that for you. Also, you'll notice these cabinets, it says optional. So they do not, it is an upgrade to just simplify things. Are they speccing them out with it? I don't know. We'll have to find out. Have to see what's available, see if it has it. Also, a smart panel box is right there, where that's where your internet and cable goods go. Now we come over here. This is the primary. Look at this. What do you guys think? I would say it's a good size. Still plenty of room here up front. Then if I stand over here, plenty of space on the left and right hand side, guys. Now if I flip the camera this way, is your bathroom. Tile flooring. Here is your walk-in closet. Check it out. If we come over here, your dual vanity, then the combo stand-up and bathtub. There's a window right there. Another window here. And then your toilet. One last view of your bathroom before we complete this tour. Well guys, drop a comment below, give me some feedback. Would definitely love to hear your thoughts on this floor plan. And also, if you guys would like to schedule a private showing, come check this out. Like I said, guys, make sure you bring me with you, or if you're not gonna bring me with you, have an agent represent you guys. Have someone that's on your side and that's not representing the builder whatsoever. So I will have my contact information below, guys. Call or text me. Would definitely love the opportunity to be by your side and represent you. And you know, at the end of the day, negotiate you the best possible deal. Also guys, do me one huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.